What's poppin', guys? So it's your girl Ari, right back at you with another video. Today is, yes, another wig video, but we ain't doing no more frontals, guys. So this is the box that the wig came in. Actually, I'm lying. This is not the box. This is the cover of the box, but you would not have known that. So this is the wig, guys. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looked right after I took it out the box and how I cut it so that it looks like this, like that. So basically what I have going on right now is a weird Tyrannosaurus Rex kind of hairstyle happening. Like, I feel like I look like a lizard, but it's okay because we're not going to look like a lizard by the end of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and hope that this fits properly. So I'm just going to loose, I don't know, okay, whatever, let's just do this. Y'all, my hair grew. Look at the length, okay? I know it may not be long for you, but honestly, like, my hair has grown, guys. So I'm just gonna flat iron this because it's looking a little weird. We are done flat ironing, thank God. So I'm gonna do a middle part. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Whoa, that blends really well. That blends. Look at that. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to really tie this down to really make it blend nice. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of edges, a little edge blendmentation, you know what I'm saying? This looks so natural. I'm kind of fooling myself there, sis. Where'd you get all them inches from? Who knows, maybe one day my hair would be this long. So I'm gonna just take a little bit edge control. I feel like that was so unnecessary. Do I even need to do that? Okay, let me just put in some earrings because I'm trying to look a little girly. I'm wearing like the most tomboy outfit of life. Like, I'm literally wearing a hoodie underneath a graphic tee with sweatpants. all from the men's section. Anyway, where's my hair tie? Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that tied down for like 10 minutes to however long it takes me to make some oatmeal and get some breakfast going, because I didn't eat breakfast for the morning for the day. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final results, and then I'm gonna do a little cute shots. And then I'm gonna tell you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and then I'm gonna be like, see you in the next video, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know the drill. I'll be back. So it's been like an hour because clearly I take forever to eat. I haven't touched it since I tied it down. So let's see what we got. Bing bang boom. It's cute and everything. It looks natural and everything. But could someone please tell me why my head looks like a square? Why am I a square? I don't want to be a square. But the hair is so natural looking. Oh my goodness. Here's a zoomed in look at my hair. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Anyway, make sure you share this video, and of course you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, let me say that right. Hey. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned. Peace and love, Benjamin. Peace and